It's our time for affordable housing.
It's our time for economic development.
It's our time for equality.
It's our time for safe streets.
It's our time for equity.
It's our time for justice.
It's our time for smart transportation.
I'm Jason Hudgins, and I am running for Atlanta City Council District 10 because Atlanta needs more proactive problem solvers on the City Council. As a neighborhood president and NPU chairman, I've worked to protect legacy neighbors and institutions from displacement. I've supported the growth of locally owned businesses and pushed for smarter development that favors communities and not developers. I believe that solutions should not stop at the border of neighborhoods. Your zip code or neighborhood income should not determine how responsive City Hall is to you. I'm inviting you to join this movement at jasonforatl.com. Atlanta, this is our moment, and this is our time.